Okay, here it is. We've just brought it out of the shop. We pulled the hood so we could get to the air cleaner and everything to check everything over. We pulled the battery out. We put a new used battery in it, and that fine looking young man driving it, Santiago. You hear how she just purrs when she takes right off. All the gears are working on it. Once you figure out how to find the gears, we have a typical little bit of smoke. Got a little puff to it, but again, it hasn't been running 10 years to speak of. We're grinding a few pounds here, a few more pounds. You gotta remember it's an international. Okay, that is our first phase.